Okay, see you.
Hey Cassandra, how are you?
Hi stranger, how are you doing?
Wow, I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Welcome to my home.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you. Come with me. I have to show you around.
Okay. Wow, this is a palace. Cassandra.
Really?
Wow. Wow.
Here's the living room.
Wow, what a beautiful view.
Yeah.
Nice and bright.
It is. Come on.
Yeah, wow. Nice.
Here is the guest room.
Wow, very nice.
You will be staying here.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, at the backyard you have a swimming pool where you can dive in and cool off when the weather becomes too hot.
Very nice.
Here is a piano. Do you play music?
Well, when I was younger, I used to dabble in music actually.
Okay.
Wow, very
It's
nice.
beautiful house.
Hey, good evening. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. It's a nice evening, right?
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful wind by the poolside. You just cannot go wrong.
I got some cookies.
Oh, beautiful, thanks. Wow, it tastes very, very good. And you're not only beautiful, but you're also a good cook. I guess you're full with the package.
Thank you. You like it?
I love it. I don't only like it, I love it.
I'm glad you do. Dan,
Yes, Cassandra.
tell me a little about you.
Do you really want to know about me? Maybe I'll make you change your mind about keeping me in your permit.
It won't. It won't. But if I may ask, are you a killer? Did you kill someone? Or are you hiding from the police?
Well, no, I'm not a killer, and I'm not hiding from the police. But there's things about me that maybe you don't want to know about, maybe you don't want to hear about.
No. Tell me. I'm all ears. I would love to hear. My
Well-
father always says that love is kindness. And he told me once when I was preaching that love is giving people the opportunity to hurt you and at the same time trusting them not to do so. That's what my father's definition of love. Dan,
Yeah, Cassandra.
your act the night I was drunk was the confirmation that my father was right. You showed me kindness, and that's what the world lacks. Kind people are very few. I mean, kindness without expectation or payback in return of this favor. I believe keeping you here for a while will not hurt any of us.
Well, Cassandra, anyways, I'm gonna start by reintroducing myself. My name is Daniel Lewis Daniels, and my mother is a Nigerian woman, and my father is a Jamaican man. My mother is a biologist, and my father is a professional hacker, internet hacker.
An internet hacker?
Not proud of it. I mean, I spent 8 years ago in prison, arrested, persecuted, sentenced, for internet hacking, over 100, over $90 million. I was in Antigua, and I was, released 7 months ago.
Oh, and how do you survive now?
Well, basically, that is how I survive. It's kind of hard for me on the road because having a criminal record, you can't find jobs here and there or anywhere with that record. So I've got to do what I got to do to survive. Right now, I've got a bathroom business. Well, a cleaning business. I clean bathrooms, for a living. Of course, it's a shameful thing to say. Who wants to say, oh, I clean bathrooms for a living?
No.
Nobody wants to say that, but it is what it is.
When you start, you don't stop talking. You keep talking. I haven't heard of that bathroom business. Tell me about it.
Yes, a bathroom business, cleaning business. See, it wasn't always like that, I mean, cleaning people's mess for a living in a bar, in a club. It was never like that. I mean, all my friends kind of gypped me and took off because, I was a kind guy, nice to everyone, but everyone took advantage of me. So right now it's my time to get myself to change, get myself to life, back to life, to be a new person, to get my groove back.
How much does it pay? I mean, how much do you make a night?
Well, it doesn't even pay minimum wage, but I survive on tips. I get paid tips.
Wow.
It's nothing to be proud of, but
Tips. At least it's better than nothing.
Well, that's why I'm doing it. I mean, my friends and family look at me like I'm a plague. My family itself, they feel that I'm dragging the family names through the mud. I mean, how can they think something like that?
Yeah, they don't understand that you want to go back in a good life.
Well, in this situation, I understand that, freedom and poverty is an absolute bondage, and I'm feeling it. I've been going through that bondage stages.
No, don't think so. Because in my own eyes, I see a kind-hearted gentleman. In my front, I see a brave good man. It takes bravery to take up such a job after you've gone all the good times life. I don't really know you yet, but I'm proud of you.
Are you trying to rebuild my confidence? I mean, a brave man, yes, but a gentleman, I'm not sure. I mean, a gentleman at the end of the month, they know they're responsible and they pay them. Me, I did not pay my bills, and this is why I got this.
Oh, what is that?
It's an eviction notice.
Oh.
I did not find myself responsible enough to pay my bills, and that's what I received.